Hello and welcome. Many people today struggle with poor sleep, waking up tired, or finding it hard to fall asleep at night. The truth is, quality sleep is not just about resting. It is a foundation for strong health, concentration, emotional balance, and even longevity. In this video, I will share 10 science-based tips that will help you sleep better, deeper, and wake up refreshed every morning. Stay with me until the end because every tip matters, and together they can completely change the way you sleep. One of the most powerful factors for good sleep is consistency. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your brain learns when to produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. If your sleep schedule constantly changes, for example, going to bed at midnight one day and at 3 a.m. the next, your body never fully adapts and your sleep quality suffers. So choose a realistic bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends, and stick to it. Within just a few weeks, your body will reward you with deeper, more natural rest. Phones, tablets, and computers emit blue light that signals your brain to stay awake. Even short exposure before bedtime can reduce melatonin production by up to 50%. That's why many people lie in bed scrolling on their phones and wonder why they cannot fall asleep. The solution is simple. Try to avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Replace scrolling with something relaxing, like reading a physical book, journaling, or listening to calming music. Your body will start to wind down naturally. Your bedroom should be a temple of rest. Think of it as a signal to your brain, this is the place for sleep. Here are 3 quick adjustments. Keep the room cool, around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Block light with blackout curtains or a sleep mask. Minimize noise, use earplugs or even white noise. Also remove distractions like TV, bright clocks, or work materials. Your bed should only be associated with sleep and intimacy, not stress or unfinished tasks. Caffeine is not only in coffee, it's also in tea, chocolate, energy drinks, and even some medications. It can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours, blocking sleep receptors in your brain. That's why drinking coffee in the afternoon often leads to restless nights. The simple rule, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. If you still want a warm drink, switch to herbal tea like chamomile, lemon balm, or mint, all of which naturally promote relaxation. Your body loves routines. Just like children fall asleep faster with a bedtime ritual, adults can benefit too. Try creating a 20-30 minute wind-down routine. Take a warm shower or bath, practice breathing exercises, inhale slowly, hold, and exhale twice as long, or try light stretching or yoga. These rituals send a strong signal to your nervous system. It's time to let go of the day and prepare for deep rest. Regular physical activity improves sleep quality and helps you fall asleep faster. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, or cycling increase deep sleep stages, the most restorative part of your night. But timing matters. Exercising right before bed can overstimulate your body, making it harder to relax. The best time for workouts is in the morning or afternoon. If evenings are your only option, choose light stretching or yoga, not high-intensity training. Heavy meals late at night force your body to work while it should rest. Spicy or fatty foods can cause discomfort, reflux, or bloating, all of which disturb sleep. Instead, aim to finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you feel hungry before bed, choose a light snack rich in tryptophan, such as a banana, yogurt, or a handful of nuts. This amino acid helps produce melatonin, naturally supporting sleep. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of sleep. Racing thoughts, worries, or replaying conversations can keep you awake for hours. A powerful technique is the mind dump. Write down all your thoughts and tasks in a notebook before bed. This way, your brain doesn't feel responsible for remembering everything. Other helpful tools include meditation apps, calming music, or simply practicing gratitude by listing 3 positive things that happened during your day. Sleep doesn't only depend on what you do at night, it also depends on your mornings. Exposure to natural sunlight early in the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Just 10-15 minutes outside in the morning tells your body it's daytime now. As a result, melatonin production will start on time in the evening, making it much easier to fall asleep. If you can't fall asleep within 20 minutes, don't just lie in bed frustrated. Get up, go to another room, and do something calm and boring, like reading or light stretching. When you feel sleepy, return to bed. This prevents your brain from associating the bed with stress and wakefulness. Over time, your bed becomes a strong signal for instant sleep. So, let's quickly recap the 10 tips. Consistent schedule, less screen time, relaxing environment, limit caffeine, evening rituals, exercise wisely, healthy food habits, stress management, morning sunlight, and don't stay awake in bed. If you combine these practices, you'll notice real changes: falling asleep faster, waking up with more energy, and feeling better both physically and mentally. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join me in future videos where we'll discuss more practical strategies for better health and well-being. Sweet dreams, and see you next time.